Right here we got the iRobot Roomba 550, and it's in great working condition. A brand new battery. It'll last you for a while. Everything's here, it works great. Basically what we got here is traversal walls here. They're the newer ones. Just press on, press off. We got the charger here, the power supply. Yeah, right. We got a 6-legged and brand new side brush. Got some used but in great condition. Basically the beater brush and bristle brush here. So they're in really good condition here. So it's just in case your other ones are dirty and you just want to use the Roomba again. You can just stick this in there while you clean the other ones. Alright, we got a cleaning tool here. Clean out the brushes. And 3 brand new filters. Alright. And the Roomba itself right here. Alright, so you can see some blemishes here, maybe some little scratches somewhere. There's a tiny little crack here, I don't know if you can see right here on the faceplate, which doesn't affect in any way of how it works, but just let you know that there's one right there. Basically it's in used condition. The bumper has some scratches and everything on it from bumping into things. For more details, just take a look at the pictures. Since the pictures got the flash on, the camera has a flash on it, took some good pictures of it. So just some little light scratches here on the faceplate and the keypad a little bit. There you go, you can see that. Anyway, so it works great, no issues. Brand new battery. So brand new 6-legged brush here. Wheels, the front caster wheel is in great condition. So you got the brushes here that also in top-notch shape. So you can see it here. Alrighty. We got the dustbin here, vacuum bin. Great shape, clean filter. All good, all clean, all disinfected. If you guys need to see his model number right there. Yeah, that's your number. Just in case. Alright. I'll turn it on for you guys, see that it works. Alright. Get this stuff out of the way here. And it works great, just like any other Roomba. And I'll show you the bumper sensors work fine, just by tapping on it. So, all works great. Thank you for watching.